In today's episode, we checked out Lotte Premium Outlets at Seoul Station, which was a little bit underwhelming, and then we walked in the rain to Namdaemun Market, where it was so cold, which made the street food there all the more delicious. All of this and more coming up on episode 11.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen.
Today is a bloody cold day and it's raining. Makes it worse. I'm dressing so sloppily.
Mission tempted. No lah. Okay. I got the point.
Oh yeah, play one more time.
I should not waste any more. I think my wallet.
You still have money?
Get the $1.
Oh my god, when the wind blows is hell, man.
You go first.
No, it's seriously cold, but we're still standing out in the rain, watching other people play the. Kill me. Guys, I would love to record more for you guys, but it is so cold, so windy, and I've got stuff to carry. So I'll see you guys at Namdaemun Market itself. Yeah. I guess this is it. We've kind of arrived at Namdaemun Market. Yeah, sad weather though, but it will not dampen our spirits. I really wish I could buy some clothes, but I always find myself drawn to the food.
Good,
Good, damn sick right there,
So why
1K for two some more.
Especially in this weather, my gosh.
小 G's.
妈是水哦。
fucking.
Head back to the hostel early today, and tomorrow's the start of school. Really not feeling like it at all. It's never a time to start studying. Ugh. Plus, I have 2 back-to-back classes tomorrow in the morning, and I have to run from building to building. It is going to be a tiring Thursday morning for the next 4 months. I am so looking forward to school.